Hello guys, welcome back to Amstein TV. In today's video we are going to be looking at how to buy online, that is internet shopping. That is our topic in this video, and from all indications it has different stages at which you have to follow before you can purchase something online. So from concert ticket to washing machines, groceries to holidays, there is bound to be a website that sells just what you want. If there is a particular breast if there's a particular brand or store you like, you can go straight to their website, or you can visit a shopping website such as eBay or Amazon, which carry broad ranges of new second-hand items. If you are a bargain hunter, you can use a price comparison site such as moneysupermarket.com, which lists the websites that sell your product according to price. In this guide, we are going to show you how to find a product online and make a transaction. You will need a computer with an internet connection, a credit card or a debit card. You can as well use your phone to make purchase online. You can use your phone to make shopping online. So you follow these steps by step instruction to learn how to buy online. As it is now, the first step goes search for a product using Google Shopping. Type the name of the item you want to buy into the search box of a search engine such as Google, for example, Roberts Radio, and click search or press enter on your keyboard. You will see a range of websites from actual department stores such as John Lewis to large websites simply devoted to shopping such as Amazon. You can also use the shopping option on Google itself. Clicking on this will give you items available based on product reviews and prices. You can also ask only for results available in shops near to you by clicking on available nearby, and that will bring you all the products that are available closer to you. So this is example of what we are saying. When you open to your Google, you type on what the product that you need. You can equally click on shopping because Google have shopping, and you see the product. For example, this is Robert radios. You see Robert radios, and we have seen the radio here as it has come out in different quantity, different quality. You see available nearby here as it shows, and that is how you choose from these available options. After you have choose from these available options, then we move to step number 2. Find an item you like using Google Shopping. That is already the example here. We already found an item we want using Google Shopping. So now we continue. If you click on one of the suggested items, you will see product details as well as details of the sellers available. Do bear in mind that these are sponsored by the merchants, and there may be other sellers available in your area or online as well. So it's not owned by one store. We can see it here. We see the Roberts Reviver on the digital radio alarm. We see it as it has all the details. You can see the details well enumerated. You can take time to check that and see the available options on the type of product you want by following this step. After you have checked the details and you find out that it is okay for you, what next? We move to step number 3. Search via Google. If you have searched for a particular brand, you may also see the brand's on website. Choose one of these websites and click on the link. So if you don't want to buy on Google directly, you might see when you move to all, when you leave shopping to all, you type again Robert Radio. You see the Robert Radio at it is showing here at John Lewis, with its own website, www.johnlewis.com Robert Radius. That is the direct website of these items. As if you don't want to shop on Google Shopping, you go directly to their own website. What next? That is, we move to step 4, searching for and buying a product from a website. Now you see what we are saying in number 4. We see a new page will open when you click on the product link. That is the product website, taking you to the website. You can now narrow down your search by typing in more specific details, such as a model name, for example Reviver, in the search box, which is usually at the top right of the screen. So you see here, you search the product here. When you open the website Robert Radius, you open the website, you see the search box here. You enter the name as you want it, the exact material you want, and it will show here the various details of the material or the product you want to shop. Then click on the magnifying glass in the top right hand corner. Some website we have go or search, as we can see it next to the search box. Alternatively, you can click into a specific category such as retro radios and browse until you find a product you like. Most website will have a global navigation where you can explore the rest of the website. This is normally located at the top of the web page with drop down menus. So we are all indicating here, as you put here Reviver, it takes you to that particular brand you are looking for. If you put here Reviver, or you see radio retro radio here, it brings different Reviver products on search. When it has searched and brings you the result, what next? We have clicked onto radio retro radios. That is it, the retro radios, and we have seen Reviver here, and a selection of matching product is now shown. Click on any of them to see more details. We have selected Reviver Mini, and here is the Reviver Mini. What next? We see the Reviver Mini as we have selected. The step 5 says adding a product to your basket. Many lets you to have a closer look at the product by hovering your mouse over the image. There are two boxes next to the image. One to choose the quantity that you want to buy, and one to choose the color that you want to buy. So here is it, guys. You might like a particular color, or you might want more than one of that product. You click here. This is quantity, and this is the color. They have choose a Dove gray, and this is Dove gray. So that is it. Once you have chosen the amount and color, click on the add to basket. Doing this, we have the details of this item until you are ready to buy it, just as if you have popped something you want to buy into a review shopping basket. And we move to step 6, continue shopping or buy your product. So after this, you can continue shopping or you buy your product. You now have two choices: either to continue shopping if you wanted to buy other items from this website, or to click on go to chat and pay for the item you have chosen. Here is it. Go to chat, continue shopping, and all the variables are here. Step number 7, check out and pay. To pay for your item, click on the checkout button. Shopping cart, here is it, check out and pay. That is step number 7 as we are moving toward the shopping online. What happens if you click on check out and pay? Some website asks that you create an account. Some give you a choice whether you want an account, and some allow you to buy items without creating an account. If you intend using a site that gives you a choice on a regular basis, then signing up for an account will make payment for items much quicker, as your basic information is already being stored. So step number 8, create an account before you buy. On this website, you have to create an account in order to buy your item. Click on create an account. Create an account. Most websites will let you check out as a guest. You can choose to create an account or later at the time. So now you see a box here, create your account. You move on. In creating an account, you log in with you start with your email, password, and you log in or check out. So next step, after you have created an account, finalize checking out. You see here you will need to complete all the boxes marked with an asterisk, such as your email, name, and address. If the item you are buying is gift, then complete the box with the address of the person you are sending it to. Please note, however, that some website will only send items to the same address as that of the bill payers, so this might not be possible. You need to check out to see and change the information on the sending address. This is the account information. You put the email address, delivering information, you put that of the person you are sending this item to. You put the country, the full name, the address, one. After then, if the item is coming to buy to you, make sure there is a tick in this box to save having to enter information twice. So billing information, my billing information is same as my delivery information. If you are not changing the location, you tick this box. So they said don't forget to tick this box too, and then click on continue to the next step. I have read and agree to the terms and condition. You tick here, and that is how you move to the next step. They say what next? Next, you will be given an opportunity to review your purchase. This is your chance to make sure that you have ordered the item you want and the right quantity, as well as giving the correct name and address that the item is to go to. If all is okay, click on continue or next step. Finally, enter your credit card. Or debit card details. Any other information required, click confirm card details if you are happy to make the payment. So here is the payment as we see it. You enter your card details, your name, your card number, your expiring date, your CVC. At this point, you may be asked for another password if you have signed up for 3D Secured, an added layer of security for online credit and debit card transaction. This includes visas verified by Visa and MasterCard secured code. Once you have given the right password, your order will go through. You should receive an email confirming that your order has been received. Retailers often send a second email once an item has been posted. So that is it, guys, about how to shop online. We have seen all the steps of how to shop online, and next video we are going to show you how we are going to move on shopping on different renowned websites like Alibaba, Amazon, Noon, and so many websites that are online, especially the best ones. We are going to explore them in our subsequent video. So guys, share with us your own points of view in the comment section, and tell us what you think and what you are about to add in this video. Till next video, thank you and stay blessed.